Aloha, my name is Talon Kuali'ia Kinachang, and I am part of Papa Lauaʻe, the class of Elua Kaukani i Vakalu Kumalima. And our class song was He Aloha e Kapua o Ke Ko, written by Zachary Alakaʻi Lum and composed by Delnita. From what I understand, this mele was written focusing on Lalo, Lower Maui. This song includes place names such as Waikapu, Puʻunene, Makawao, Kula, and even our Apua'a, A'apueo. Aloha, love, ko, sugarcane. Throughout these Ahupua'a once flourished sugarcane, cultivated by the ACNS Sugar Company. Several court cases have gone against the ACNS having to do with the burning of sugarcane. So this song stands for the beauty we need to maintain for these places. The places where our old roads, Waikaho, Kalasani Side, and Kihei spread, dating back to the time of the rule of our mo'i. In many ways, our mele can connect to our eola outcomes. Some examples are Ike Kupuna and Aloha Aina, like when mentioning the places like Pu'unene. We aloha these places because many of our kupuna used to live and work there. There is also a lot of collaboration because it took 130 of us to sing and add all of our mana to make this mele mai ka'iloa, to make the song original and heavenly. As I saw on the live stream while in South Korea, I got to finally see the presentation of our mele for our ohana, hoaloha, and kula. I like the puana e kapua part where, in order, each group came in, first with sopranos, then altos, then tenors, and finally the basses. I also like the eo in the beginning, calling out everyone's attention, and the ending when all together we sang to conclude our song with Na Poki'i, for our relations to be strong and stand together in brotherhood. I got some chicken skin here and there and thought that some parts weren't the best, like the blending of voices in each group, but overall, they did it together. And as my great-grandmother, my kupuna wahine, Teresa Kelekia Halua Okalani Kahaule Malani, once said, "Awake and move forward together with one heart, one mind, and one spirit." And that is what they did.